Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the last prize of the New Year's streak in Grow a Garden. So it is the Colorpop crop seed. I'm just going to plant it in my garden and I will be right back when it's grown. Hopefully it doesn't take long. This is what the seed looks like. Super cute. And I'm just going to plant it somewhere in my garden. Let's plant it like here. It's fine. I'm just going to add some sprinklers. Okay, it does only take 2 hours, so it's not that bad. So I'm just going to place some sprinklers and I'm just going to close the game so that hopefully it's going to be big. Okay. And I'll be right back. And this is what it looks like. It is super pretty. It's able to like regrow. So let's see how much this costs. Super pretty actually. How much is this worth? Okay, it's at 8 million shekels without any like mutations. So I say that's pretty good. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!